Lesson 72 is about graphing inequalities. And we know that an inequality is just a statement of greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So our first problem says to graph x is greater than 2. Now in this we need to use a number line if we're going to graph it. And if x is greater than 2, it means we want all values bigger than 2, like 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So if x is greater than 2, we're going to use an open circle on the 2 of our number line. We're going to rise up above the number line so we can easily see, and then we're going to go over to the right. So we've got our answer. X is greater than 2. That's not a very straight line, but it doesn't need to be perfect. And all of this filled in area is everything that is greater than 2. We leave an open circle because it's only greater than. It's not equal to 2. So it's got to be an open bubble or an open circle. Let's move on to our next problem. Here we want x is less than or equal to 2. So if x is less than or equal to 2, well, it's less than or equal to 2, so this time we need to have a closed circle because it's also equal to 2. So if x is less than or equal to 2, we are heading to the left. We can make our line that's headed to the left, like 1, 0, -1, -2, and so on, to show that x is less than or equal to 2. The tip of the inequality will always tell us what direction we're going in if you want to use that little hint to help you figure out which way to draw your arrow. That was a quick lesson today. We'll practice it more with our lesson practice on page 229. Make sure you've got your notes complete, and I'll see you during our next class.